I don't have my camera on me, but Livestock just did it again. They put a midnight shock drop release for the Jordan 6 Travis Scott. Oh my goodness. This night has been one of the craziest nights ever. It's like 2:34 in the morning right now. I haven't slept at all. I'm freezing cold. I've been lined up all night. Wow, absolutely amazing. This is a video that I need you guys to hit the like button on, need you to share. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you're new to the channel, well, welcome. You are in store for a good one. Today's video is sponsored by Privacy, and I need to give a huge shout out to them for supporting the channel. Now, if you guys haven't heard of Privacy, basically what Privacy does is they keep you safe when buying things online. They create online credit cards that have a spending limit, have a specific site that they work on and don't work on all other sites. Let's say I want to buy a whole bunch of stuff off Nike, but I don't want someone to steal my credit card information and spend it at Papa John's. I can get a credit card from Privacy online that only works at Nike. Or let's say I want to try out a subscription and I'm, hesitant about, do I want to use this subscription on a monthly basis or not? I can have a one-time use card of like $8, $10, $15, however much this monthly subscription is, and that way I don't need to worry about canceling the subscription after the first month. Privacy is giving you $5 for free on your first Privacy online card if you sign up with the link down in the description. I mean, $5 for free. It's just silly not to use it at that point. I've been scammed online, and I'm sure you guys have been scammed online once or twice as well, and it sucks. It feels terrible. You're like, oh my goodness. One of the worst feelings on earth, but Privacy makes sure that doesn't happen. Thank you to Privacy. But that being said, let's take you back to earlier this evening when I found out that the Jordan 6s were dropping at midnight. I don't have my camera on me, but Livestock just did it again. They put a midnight shock drop release for the Jordan 6 Travis Scotts. It's 7:10 right now. They put it up at 7 o'clock on the dot, and I'm driving over there, and it's in the middle of a blizzard, so traffic's not moving. If I was at home, I would have been way closer, but I wasn't home. A midnight release of the Travis Scotts. I should get there in time. I mean, how many people are gonna be able to get there within 12 minutes? I was pretty close already. I'll get there 7:14. A midnight release of the Travis Scotts. I shouldn't be on my phone while I'm driving. I'm gonna get in trouble. I'll get back to you guys in a second. This is the greatest day of my life. There's one guy in line and 2 security guards. I love Livestock. Livestock, keep doing these shock drops. How long ago did you get here?
Sorry?
How long ago did you get here?
3 o'clock, 3 hours.
You got here 3 hours?
Yeah.
Oh, you were just waiting for it.
We waited about 3 hours.
Wow. Wow, second in line. I have Travis Scott 6s. I just need to stand in line in a hoodie in a blizzard for 5. Okay, I might need to sneak home and get a jacket. Okay, the nice people in line, I asked them very nicely. They said I could leave the line for 5 minutes to run home, get my winter jacket, get my camera, and I realized I didn't even have my wallet. I would have walked into the store and not been able to pay, but I have my Ridge wallet now. Oh wow, it is gross and cold outside. Let's get back to it. Good, I left and there was like 8 people in line. What's up, guys?
What up?
There's a lot more than 8 people in line now. Andy is here, Eric is here, Jacob is here, reseller is here. Livestock stepped their game up. They have security now.
Yeah, it's crazy.
They're taking down names, making a list.
Fighting, I think, right? You can't argue with a list.
I really want people fighting. That's how I make half my content. That's the only reason lots of you guys watch my videos.
I'll fight Tom right now.
Do it.
Yo, $100, I'll fight Tom. Let's go.
Hit me right here.
Do it. 200 on Tom.
Hit me. YouTubers box each other all the time now. Whoa.
Hey.
That was scary. It's 9 o'clock.
It's cold.
It's cold. I don't have gloves. I can't feel my feet.
I have 1 glove.
What?
Yeah, I couldn't find the other one.
And you just ran out?
We had to get here so fast.
Someone please come deliver us socks and gloves.
By the time they see this, they won't be able to deliver us socks and gloves.
I'm in New York by the time you see us, but I just need socks and gloves. Quick update. It is freezing outside. The battery has drained on this because it's freezing, and my other camera has water damage because the snow started melting all over it on my chair. I don't know how much time we have left to record. There's an hour until the store opens. I don't have my cell phone either. An hour and 5 minutes. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll try and hit you guys with as much footage as I can. If I can dry off my camera, I'll record on the other camera, but this is literally on blinking low battery right now. It's gonna shut off any minute. Thankfully, I'm third in line. I'm getting the shoes. I can't feel my feet. We only have an hour left. There we go. Okay. All right, thank you very much. Thanks. They let us in 15 minutes early. This is the greatest day of my life. My camera's gonna die, but we made it inside. My lens is probably fogging up. I can't feel my feet. But we have Travis Scott 6s. I just need to grab my size. I love Livestock. Do more shock drops, please. This is so much fun. Oh my goodness, we got the shoes. I'm squeezing past people. Woo!
You did it!
Got him!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You're on my way. I get to go in now, right?
Oh. Hey, good luck, Eric. I'm going to bed. See ya. See ya. See ya. See ya. I will.
Oh, yeah, you going?
Yeah, I'm going. Bye, Eric.
Fun, bro.
I can't believe that this actually happened. Like, wow, we're still on my secondary camera, so I apologize. The audio does not sound as good. The video probably looks amazing. This takes way better video, but the audio jack breaks all the time on this and is currently broken. My other camera won't turn on right now, which is a little bit terrifying considering that I'm going on a flight tomorrow morning for a giant trip across the world. Hopefully that gets fixed. I haven't even seen my pair yet. I briefly saw someone else's pair when they were paying for them, but this is gonna be my first real adventure into these. It's 1 in the morning, I'm at my studio, I'm soaking wet. This is the greatest sneaker release ever. This has such good memories behind it now. I did buy a size 8 simply because I can buy this, sell it, and then buy a size 12 and keep $300 or $400 because I definitely want to keep these in the collection. Not a huge fan of the 6 in general, but I just feel like they did so many cool alterations to this model. And plus, I'll be honest, it's a little bit hyped up and I've probably bought into the hype a little bit too much. Wow. Wow, these are so, oh wow, the materials are amazing. The bottom, the laces. Oh my goodness, these are incredible. These are absolutely incredible. Let's take a look at these. We'll put this one up here. Wow, so it's an all over olive suede upper on this Jordan 6. You have an orange hit here, an orange hit here, these laces. The yellow could look really cool. The yellow would be out there, but the yellow could look really cool. And then of course you have this like raw distressed denim on the inside of the tongue. You have this little pouch right here that you can put stuff in. It's actually pretty sizable. Like you can actually fit a decent amount of stuff in this pouch on the ankle with this little snap button. Like it feels like some sort of military Jordan hybrid. Like if the US forces did a hybrid or a collaboration, pardon, with Jordan brand, I think this is what they would make. Look at the bottom. The bottom is beautiful. What a beautiful pair of sneakers. Seriously, just an absolutely incredible pair of sneakers. I mean, you guys can see on the B-roll, these things look amazing. I'm so happy that I was able to get these. Retail was stupid expensive. When I paid, I was like, huh? 330 Canadian dollars. Regular Jordan Retros are $255. So they jacked these up $75. above the regular retail price. Worth it? I mean, they go for 1,600 Canadian and I paid 368 or something like that. But just in terms of the actual value that you get in the shoe, probably not. I don't think there's $75 of extra value. You get a special box, you get 2 extra laces, the materials are very good, it is a collaboration, and then they changed the model a little bit by putting this pouch right there. But I don't think it's $75 extra Canadian or 50 US or whatever the price difference is in the States. I don't think it warrants that much of a price difference, but I was happy to pay it. It's such a crazy experience to be standing in my friend's store, see an Instagram post, sprint out to my car, and just get there, stand in line for 5 hours, meet a whole bunch of cool people, freeze my feet off, and then have this amazing pair of shoes to show for it. This is something that I'll have in my collection for a long time, and I'll always have memories of camping out for them. My feet are soaked, my hands are freezing, my hoodie is freezing at 1 in the morning, and I'm sitting here reviewing a pair of shoes that I didn't think I was gonna be able to get. Just an amazing day. I was almost gonna cancel my flight so I could possibly get them tomorrow and then fly out to New York later in the evening just so I could get them and make a video for you guys as soon as possible. But now I'm able to get them at midnight. Wow, absolutely incredible. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. You are my favorite people on earth. If you've enjoyed today's video as much as I have, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course, follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefaniak. That being said, you guys are my favorite. I love you, and I will see you tomorrow. So until then, peace.